Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes fix fan and light staying on even after shutdown in Windows 11, 10. First method is type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. Click Change Advanced Plan Settings. Change to off, click Apply, click OK. Second method is type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. Click Choose what the power buttons do, click Change settings that are currently unavailable, uncheck Turn on Fast Startup. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Shut down using this command. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.